Alright, so what's going on, boys? It's Loxley, obviously. And upon request, some of you guys wanted to walk around with my drift car. As you can tell, I'm pretty ashy and it's cold out here. But anyways, so here it is. I'm gonna take a walk around my car. I just showed you guys what it looks like. It looks like trash, but yeah, this is my RX7. It's 1986 RX7. It's a 1986 RX7, and it has PVM coils and some XXRs and an LSD, man. It's NA, so it's pretty slow. It's pretty hard to drift, but anyways, take a look. These are the wheels. These are 17s, and it's the same in the rear. I'm not sure the width of the wheels, but I'm pretty sure they might be square. Obviously, I don't really run any special tires or like Federals or something. I'm not sponsored like Andrew. I got these headlight mods on here. Came with the car, so nothing much. It's the two-tone paint job. I actually kind of like it, but the paint's kind of fading. You can see right here the paint's fading pretty bad. It's easy to scratch. It's real easy to scratch too. But anyways, let's pop the hood so you guys can see what the hell's missing, because there's not a lot going on there. Alright, there you go. Boom. That's the engine. That's all of it. That's the engine right there. As you can see, some of you guys may not know what that is, but that's a rotary 13V engine. I know it would be stupid for some people not to know. Well, it's not stupid, but some people just might not know. But anyways, that's 13V. It's my favorite engine ever. And but mine is not turbo. My favorite engine is a turbo. But as you can see, there's a turbo right here. There's not a turbo right here. It's missing. I don't have one because I don't have that kind of money. So yeah, from factory, what I like is the fact that the radiator comes at a slant like this, which is really cool. I replaced the alternator on that. It went bad, so I'm not having alternator issues anymore. But I have some modded knuckles that I'm gonna install on this probably next week, and I'll show you guys that in a second. But let me show you guys like the top hats right here for my coilovers. Here you go, my PVM. All right, so let me show you those modded knuckles I was talking about. So here's the rest of my film gear. Just use my gimbal. Here's all my tools also. But anyways, underneath all of this crap, somewhere. Here you go. These are my modded knuckles right here. You see how it's shortened right here? I'm gonna be using those to get some more angle. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a fun time. But anyways, I mean, that's my car. I mean, I don't know what you guys want to see. It's not really all that special, you know. It's literally just basic build that came kind of pre-built. But yeah, I mean, it's not much to it. You don't need a lot to drift, so I'm just keeping it simple. Let me show you guys this right here. It's my fancy racing steering wheel straight off of eBay, with my straight off of eBay shifter that still is all wonky and doesn't, it's all crappy. Anyways, here's my business card that I keep in here. It's not much, man. And my huge mirror I got off of Amazon. It's pretty cheap. It was like $8, and it works really well. One thing I like about RX7s is the dash cluster. Like, look how it's set up. I really like that. Just gauge, the tachometer in the middle, speedo right there, and all the important stuff on the left side right there. I really like how it's set up. I just love that look and the shape of it, like all around. It's pretty nice. I have red interior, as you can see. I have red interior, kind of matching with my car too. Oh yeah, I like the red interior. A lot of people don't like the red interior, but I like it. I think it's pretty cool. Not cool, but it works with my car, especially with the maroon color right here on the fender. I'm eventually gonna paint the car this color all the way around, and then it's gonna be looking sweet, matching my air filter too. So this is a car. That's pretty much it. it's pretty basic. So I mean, it's what you guys wanted, so that's what I did. Also, I got a new shirt for Andrew. It's the Apex shirt, where, you know, obviously I had to make a shirt to go against RX7 since I have a shirt to go against 240s, just like the sticker, just like that sticker right there. You know, yeah, I'm not a real big fan of 240s, but a lot of people drive them. Obviously, they're pretty good. But you know, I'm just trying to be different. So yeah, RX7 it is. Plus, I've been looking for this RX7 for 2 years actually. So let's get into a story time. I've been a fan of RX7s for like 3 years now. This is the first time I've gotten an RX7 though, because I've always been scared, you know, oh man, like people keep saying, oh, rotary's not reliable, that's not really the fact. It all depends on the owner, whether or not the car is reliable or not. So that's what really made me not really get the car for to get a RX7 for 2 years. I put it off for so long. I got a shitty Miata for a week and then I got rid of it. Actually, roll some footage of that from my MR2 days. Right after I got the MR2, I got the shitty Miata. It was just, I got a bunch of cars before I even decided and finally got, you know, an RX7. I was like, you know what? You can't be a bitch your whole life. So I got the RX7. And boy, am I happy that I got the RX7. Pretty happy that I got the RX7. Like, this car, I don't know, man, just driving this car just makes me pretty happy. Anyways, well, that's pretty much my car, so let's go for a drive.